Very cold this morning. Perfect conditions to get your ice bath out. In this video, I'll be taking you through unboxing and setting up the LUMI Recovery Pod Max. Should you be investing the extra money to buy the Max over the conventional LUMI Pod? What are the extra features and benefits associated with the Max? Stick around to the end and I'll tell you whether it is worth the extra money. Included in the box is a user manual, support legs, dry bag, foot pump, drain hose and repair patches, LUMI thermometer, because we always like to know what temperature we're getting into, cover, thermal lid. If you were looking for a review and a thorough setup video of the original LUMI Pod, then check it out here. Oh, you caught me! Let your friends and everybody else know that you're into cold water therapy with your LUMI dry bag. Let's get in! So I'm a cold water therapist and a breathwork coach, and as often as possible I like to get into nature and enjoy being in natural surroundings. And yes, you can have a cold shower or you can have a cold bath, but for me there's something magical about being outside, seeing nature, and when the weather is better, looking up at the sky. So the LUMI for me has been a good investment. It has allowed me to recover better, and it's also helped me enjoy these little moments of discomfort which make the rest of life a lot easier. If you are considering getting into cold exposure, if you want to feel the benefits for yourself, check out the link in the description where you can enjoy LUMI products using my discount code, support the channel, grab a discount and bring cold into your life. So the question you've been wondering, is the LUMI Pod Max worth the extra over the conventional pod? Currently the price of the conventional pod is £85 and this is £145. Considering that feels like quite a big jump, you do get more accessories with this, including the thermometer, the dry bag. As the diameter is also 10 centimeters wider than the original LUMI Pod, it gives you 100 extra litres of volume, and it means it's easier to dunk your head. As you can see from the ice on top, it has been freezing over the past couple of nights, but because of the 5 layers of insulation, it means that the tub, although cold, has remained liquid. And that means that during warmer temperatures, the inverse will happen. So during warmer ambient temperatures, it will keep the water in the tub cooler. So that is the benefit of having those 5 layers of insulation, as opposed to just the regular 3 on the original LUMI Pod. So I've definitely found that it is more robust, it has endured a bit more weather. Don't forget that there is a discount code. Check out the link in the description or the pinned comment where you can grab yourself a discount, and that will help ease the difference a little bit more. In conclusion, the Recovery Pod Max with its extra insulation, extra space and additional accessories feels like a worthwhile investment. However, the original LUMI Pod served me well, and in principle both tubs provide a very similar solution. Whatever your budget, the accessibility and functionality of the LUMI Pods is great, and it's going to be far better than my old recycling bin. Keep safe and enjoy the cold.